Hello everyone, this is my 2017 RX350 F Sport with the F Sport 3 package. I just recently purchased this one. I used to have a 2014 RX450H that was unfortunately damaged because there was a hailstorm. It was parked outside, so I had to really find a replacement because the insurance would not repair it, so I had to really total it. I had to really think about a replacement, so I had looked for a replacement for 4 weeks, and eventually this is the one I really ended up really scoring a good deal on. It's 2017, so it's a one owner car, owned by a senior couple who actually just drove it during the summer, so it was garaged as well. And they primarily put highway miles on this one, so it was primarily driven between Calgary, Alberta and Sherman Oaks, California. So they were just like taking long trips in it, so that's why the paint is in such a good condition. So it has black exterior and then has a red interior. So obviously it's got F Sport package 3, so it's got the F gauges, and then it's got the 12.3 navigation screen, and it has the panoramic moonroof. That's like the entire roof is glass. So it's a pretty, actually for an SUV, it's a pretty fun SUV to drive, so I'm pretty happy with it. And the F Sport 3 package adds quite a lot of things in there, so it comes with the F Sport suspension, adaptive variable suspension as well, and then it's got all the options like cross traffic alerts. It's got the blind spot monitoring and all the other features that you could get on this one. So I've got two F Sports. That's the interesting thing. I've got an IS350 F Sport, which is 2019, and then this one, which is a 2017 RX350 F Sport. So the IS350 F Sport has 311 horsepower. This one has 300 horsepower, and of course I've got the big guy there. So it's the Lexus RCF carbon fiber TVD. So that one is 500 plus horsepower, like more like 510, 520 or something. So with the modifications I have on it, so yeah, it's a very interesting stable. I have a Corolla XRS from back in the day as well, but that's another story. So this has been a really good SUV. I'm really enjoying it. Really feels like a cockpit, like the other. It's got the F Sport seats as well, so it feels like really snug and cockpit. The drive feel is pretty nice, the steering, and I'll probably make a full video on that, on all the. There's a really interesting quirk I found in this one, software wise, but that's probably another entire video that I have to make, as far as the settings go. But that's just dialing it up to the maximum stiffness. It's a bit of a somehow the software had a bit of a weird issue here, so I'll probably make a video on that. The RCF series, I haven't been able to make much there because of the issue I was having with this replacement. I had to go through with the insurance, which was quite a long battle with the appraisal, with the adjuster on the previous car, then finding the new one. There wasn't much available in the market, so I had to really keep passing on everything that I would find in the market. And then luckily this one came up, and then I picked it up. The very next day, the day it was listed, the next day I went and test drove it. In the evening I made the offer, and then they accepted. They just countered that a little bit, but I just was like, yeah, I'm just gonna take it because this is just too good of a deal to pass on. So yeah, very happy with this one. So I'll probably put more content on this car as well as the other two, the IS350F Sport, which is a 2019, and then my 2016 Lexus RCF. So yeah, until next time, ciao.